We just snagged this 80 series Landcruiser for only $3,000 off of Facebook Marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you how we ran the maths on this car to make sure we're going to make money, how we then picked it up for cheap, improved it, and then sold it for thousands in profit. So of course, the first thing we did is we went down to have a look at the car.
Your panel's pretty well, though.
It did really well.
I'm doing a bit of a scrape, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you mind if we look underneath?
See, help yourself.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I'm just
gotta give it a bit of a fucking.
You know, it's oily,
Yeah, that's. Oh, it's oily as fuck.
Look, there's even a pool of it. Is that? Oh, it must be the rocker covers up here.
I
Must be just absolutely
I'm
shit.
not overly mechanical, mate, but it's. She's $3,000 for a reason. Yeah, exactly. But she's a good engine still, very strong.
Strong.
That's why I bought Friday.
Yeah, true.
So after taking it for a test drive and a little bit of negotiating, the best price we could possibly get was $2,800 because he's being absolutely slammed with messages at this point, and we didn't want to push our luck too much, but we did manage to get that $200 off the price, so we're happy with that, and now it's time to take it home and get it fixed up, ready for sale. So the first thing we did is we tackled that fender. We found one from a wrecker that was black. We got it painted chrome, and here it is. We're starting to line it up before we fit it.
That's gonna look absolutely sick.
So we got in behind the fender and installed it. This in total cost us $200, so we'll take that into account as well.
Yeah, look, it's not lining up there or there. It needs to be lower. It wants to actually be across, doesn't it? Oh no. Oh, okay, so if it's lower, I think we re-drill this one actually. I'm guessing that'll fit. Oh yeah. And then a washer and a screw here. It'd be good if we had a driver. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. In there. Stop it from wiggling around. There was another one of those on the bottom, but clearly when he hit the tree or whatever, he ripped it off. See? Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna need you take that out and we're gonna have to wet vacuum it or pressure wash it. We'll pressure wash it. What is that? Side step cap, but there's no side steps anymore. See that? See it just peels off, Flynn? From the back there? You take it out. Hang on, we'll film everything. It's just a bolt.
At this stage, we're probably halfway through getting the car fully cleaned, and normally I don't really take into account cleaning costs, but for the sake of monitoring the costs for this video so you can see the profit outcome, we put $15 costs on all our cleaning materials.
Where's my little brush-a-low? Brush-a-low, 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 brush-a-low. Oh, did we test the aircon in this car? No. I hope you did. I didn't. Because I knew it was a good deal anyway, I think. It's a good excuse. Yep, if you don't observe the problem, it doesn't exist. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. let's go. Yo.
Just drenched myself.
Okay, good on that. I might come behind you with a wet dry and then you wipe it on. What have you done so far? Just this door?
This door.
The floors are already looking pretty good.
Oh, you're wiping it away, right?
Did you do all in here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, let's try this.
Ewy.
Oh, hang on.
Ewy.
Bradley. We wish we were sponsored by Toyota.
And so with the car completely clean, we went ahead and put it up for $9,950, and within a day I had so many people messaging me and it ended up selling for $9,500, leaving our profit at just over $5,000. If you guys want to see more example car flips just like this one, remember to follow us on Instagram and on YouTube. And if you need help one-to-one on actually how to flip the cars, how to get your dealer's license, make sure to head over to aussiecarflips.com/coaching and you can find out how you can get involved with me and learn how to do what we do. The link will be below this video.